Construction fleets operate across multiple job sites under constant deadline pressure. Assets move frequently, and operating conditions accelerate wear. When visibility is fragmented, small issues compound. One down unit slows production. Maintenance costs increase gradually, without a single failure event to explain it. Idle hours accumulate beyond what mileage suggests. Small equipment circulates without consistent tracking, and manual systems struggle to keep up with the complexity. 1. Schedule maintenance by real usage, engine hours, runtime, and load conditions. 2. Connect inspections directly to repair workflows to eliminate downtime gaps. 3. Centralize compliance documents and automate renewal tracking. 4. Monitor fuel consumption and idle hours at the asset and project level. 5. Track small tools and generators with the same accountability as heavy equipment. 6. Analyze asset utilization across job sites before renting or expanding the fleet. When maintenance, inspections, fuel, compliance, and utilization operate within one connected system, construction fleets gain measurable control. Simply Fleet centralizes heavy equipment in multi-site fleet operations, combining automated maintenance scheduling, digital inspections, work order management, fuel tracking, asset visibility, and compliance alerts into one unified platform. Keep projects on schedule, control costs, operate with clarity. Try Simply Fleet today.